the fire like a circus act gone wrong. Six strangers with delusions thinking they can be the strong. Someone's throwing shields like confetti in a storm. Another's in the corner trying to take a new form. The healer's doing yoga, says the one with the air. Our tank rage quits the moment someone musts their hair. But we press on together, yeah, dysfunction's our creed. 'Cause nothing brings out heroes like unreasonable need. Push the payload of chaos, baby, roll it uphill. We're a symphony of misfires, but we're grinding on will. Every battle's a comet, but nobody rehearsed. But we'll fight to the punchline even when it gets worse. Push the payload of chaos, yeah, we're barely a team. But in the middle of the madness, we're a beautiful scream. We're a beautiful scream. Our snipers writing poetry while aiming at the sun. The speedster's in a time loop yelling, this is so fun. A brawler punches vending machines to summon his mind. A robot plays the tuba in the middle of a fight. A winged guardian claims we need emotional shields, but I could use a real one out here dying in the field. So somehow we're advancing like a glitch in the code. Pure chaos is the engine keeping us on the road. The parade. Push the payload of chaos, baby, roll it uphill. We're a symphony of misfires, but we're grinding on will. Every battle's a comedy, nobody rehearsed, but we'll fight to the punchline even when it gets worse. Push the payload of chaos, yeah, we're barely a team. But in the middle of the madness, we're a beautiful scream. Beautiful scream. Call for backup. No one hears call for healing. Cricket cheers. Ultimates ready, too late they fled. Victory is built on, guess we'll try this instead. In a world made of masks, we wear them with pride. Every hero's a myth with a panic inside. But the mess that we make is the art of the fight. And somehow we shine in the glitch of the night. Push the payload of chaos, baby, roll it uphill. We're a symphony of misfires, but we're grinding on will. Every battle's a comet,